The Three L's of Empowerment, Christine Lagarde. The Three L's of Women Empowerment is a thought-provoking speech delivered by Christine Lagarde, the first women finance minister of G8 economy and the head of the International Monetary Fund, IMF. She explains the three key factors which constitute women empowerment as learning, labor, and leadership. She also emphasized the attitudinal changes that have to be happen in the mind of the people. So in this video, we are going to exploit the different types of discourse level questions based on this particular unit. First of all, we are going to think about how to empower women in our society. Dear friends, there are different ways of empowering women. They are giving quality education. As all we know, education is a great way for success. Giving quality education is the first step in empowering women. The second one is equal status and equal wages are essential for empowering women. India is a democratic country. Social justice is the backbone of democracy. So social justice is another important point in the way of empowering. Then the fourth point is job opportunities. Economic disparity can be solved only through improving the income of a society. For better income, we are in need of a better job. So job opportunities are essential for empowering. Then India is a democratic country. Unfortunately, the women are not getting equal chances and better participation in all walks of social life. So better participation in all walks of social life is essential for empowering women. The next point is we have to develop the culture of inclusion. That is the most important thing in our society. Then social security, another important point. Better health care is another important point. Better life skill development is also essential for empowering women. So these are the most important points related to empowering women.
Start.
Dear friends, let us think about another question. Different ways to attain success in life. How to attain success in life? That's a very important question. We are in need of certain qualities. The major qualities are self-confidence, then hard work, then perseverance, then life skills. Better social outlook is essential. Emotional intelligence is a very important component in the 21st century for attaining success. Then patience is also essential. Quality education, that is the way for human resource development. Then education is an integral component for attaining success. The skill of decision making, then determination, that is willpower, is also essential to attain success in life. So these are the most important points related to attain success in life. Dear friends, now we are discussing about the role of education in empowerment. Importance of education in women empowerment is one of the most important idea in that particular speech by Christine Lagarde. The main points are education is a golden way to success. Education paves the way for human resource development. Education provides opportunities. Education develops personality of an individual. Education improves knowledge. Education develops creativity. Education gives hope and dreams. Education gives better life training. Generally, education is a key factor in the way of women empowerment. Another important question related to this particular unit is how to prevent atrocities against women in our society. Unfortunately, atrocities against the women are increasing day by day. Suppose you are participating in a debate on this topic, how to prevent atrocities against women, what are your suggestions? The main points are conduct awareness programs. Then strict implementation of law. Establishment of fast-track courts to handle cases of atrocities. Develop the culture of social inclusion. Adopt a better rehabilitation policy. Establish guidance and counseling centers in all villages. These are the main points related to this topic. Interview is a higher level discourse. So there is possibility of an interview question in this unit. Prepare 5 questions for an interview with Christine Lagarde about the theme of women empowerment. What are your questions? The possible questions are: say about your childhood. Second question: what are the challenging tasks before women in the world? Third question: why do you select this field? Fourth question: how can we build self-confidence in women? Fifth question: say your suggestions for women empowerment. Sixth question: what is your message to us? So these type of questions can be asked. Thank you all.